Alright, so what's going on, guys? And today, the day has come where we're doing a setup tour slash like room slash office slash studio. I don't know. All I know is that every YouTube video is done in here. I sleep in here, I edit, I record, I game, everything goes on in here. Now when you go on YouTube and you look up like gaming setups or studio tour or room tour, you go down a really long rabbit hole. There's a lot of videos, so I'm just doing my part and I'm kind of excited about that. Dude, I even bought a candle for this. But nonetheless, we're going to get right into this. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed and everyone. My numbers have been crazy recently. I started this 6 months ago and look where we are now. Thank you, everybody. And go subscribe if you're new to this. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you see is this over here. This is actually something me and my dad made custom. Here's my shoes, hamper, and me. It's me. Hi. That look pretty? I'm not going to bore you too much with this stupid stuff. I'm just going to show you a couple things. Here's my jersey when I was in high school. Some pictures. There's my girlfriend and my cat. Me playing baseball. That's a cat. Looks just like my cat in real life. It's weird. Over here, have some stuff from baseball. That's me sophomore year. If we come over here and make a right, this is where I sleep. This is my bedside table where I put my phone down at night. Here's a little bookshelf. At one point, it was full of motherboard and GPU boxes. And now, since my girlfriend has taken over, it's all changed. That's me with my dad, me and my girlfriend over there. Got some more pictures. A ball that was signed with all my teammates in high school. Different things like that. Got some more storage for GPU stuff and motherboards. Over here, you got a cat tree for my cats. Little cheap bedside table, nothing fancy. Has all my remotes. Have a little hanging light. This is a custom piece that we made, me and my dad, with some of his old vinyls. When I did that, always keep this. Oh, there. Hey, Bella. Always keep this door open so that they can go in and out. And over here is my TV. This is a little lamp I have. That's where the cats eat and drink. A little cat scratcher thing. My dresser that I've had since I was like 6. Some cool movies. This is my favorite back here, the Hulk. Yeah, it's actually connected to my PC over there, so it runs all the way down and up here. So what I do when I'm in bed, I can just chill, watch some TV, watch some streams, watch some different YouTube videos, stuff like that. Moving along, the first thing I'm going to show you is where all the studio happens. Alright, so first off, you got my mini fridge packed up with some Gatorades and takeout and stuff like that. And my bedside lamp. The candle I was talking about, dude, I bought it just for this. I have air freshener because I do have 2 litter boxes in here because the other 2 are downstairs and I had to compromise with my dad. So that's why they're up here. And this is where I film videos. This is all where my studio happens. Over here, I have my desk mats so I can put it on here. If you look in any of my videos, I always have one laid out. Or sometimes I just use the wood that I stand. I actually made this desk, and since I have all these tools, I got to use them somehow. Got some cheap little nano leaf things that I forgot where I got them. I got them as a gift, so kind of grateful. Some more custom pieces that me and my dad made just to frame them. Kind of looks cool. When I actually need to make this a little studio, what I do is actually pull it out, make it into the center of the room, and then I have my camera and my key light facing this way, and this is my background. Alright, so this is what this usually looks like from this angle. And this is what it looks like from this angle. This is where all my camera equipment goes. And once we move over here, it's like a little bed, or not bed, what is it called? Like a little window seat. So my dad, I actually have to give him all the credit because he made this. Little thing where my cat's up there. That's Missy. She's my baby. I love her. Minnie. No. Benna? Hi, come here. Benna. Once we move on from over there, here's a little shelf that I have my and Pro 2. This one, the reason why this is up here, it's not like it's some kind of crazy keyboard, but it's literally just because it's what started everything. This is what my first big video I did on my other channel that actually got taken away from me. So, I mean, I don't have the proof for it. I have a little shelf right here for my and Pro 2 with the coiled cable. You got the Astro A50 that my girlfriend bought me. Some more shelving over here that has a lot of PC parts in it. Like I think that one has a whole bunch of 24 pins and different boxes are in there. Here's my router setup. And then here we go. This is the main setup, the desk. And if you made it this far to the video, go ahead and leave a like I already said. But I'm going to leave everything in the description of everything that I can. So if you have any questions or specific things that you have a question about, go ahead and leave it down in the comments and I'll answer it. Alright, so first let's start off with the actual desk. Yes, I have the Alice drawers on each side. And the top is actually a piece of really solid birch wood that we bought at Home Depot. I stained it and sealed it myself. Looks pretty nice. Let me get a little close up on it. Move this real quick. Yeah, super nice. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Over here you have my PC. I'm going to try to go over some of the specs real quick. I'm not going to go too far into it. I have a video on my channel about this PC, so you can go ahead and check that out if you want. It is a Ryzen 9 3900X Zotac gaming GPU, which at first that was the only GPU I can get. I've actually fallen in love with it. I think it looks super sick, man. After a while, it looks super good to me. Have some 32GB of thermal take RAM. The NZXT cooler, I forgot the exact name, but it's the one that does that. The case is the 011 Dynamic Mini. The fans, they're the Lian Li fans. I mean, everyone knows them. And up here you have my mic. It's the AT2020. I've had this thing since forever. What I do with it is bring it down like this. Do some voiceovers. When I'm not using it, I push it back and move it over here. Just because I don't want it in front of the glass. Because, like, I built that thing, you know? This is my Focusrite, what is it? Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen. So what makes this thing work. Have a little charging pad for my phone. Let me just do that real quick. Bam. Works. Here's my Logitech little dongle thing that makes my G Pro wireless work. And I do have a G Pro wireless. Looks pretty sick. I mean, I've used it for a while now. I've used other mice, but I don't know, man. I just keep going back to this one. Don't look too into the keyboard. It always changes. Just right now, this is what I'm rocking. I have the SteelSeries Apex Pro with, let me touch the little thing. It has my little custom art thing I made. Looks kind of cool. The keycaps are double shot PBT SA profile, so they sound pretty crisp. Let me see if I can get a little sound test for you. Hopefully that picked up because the mic is facing the opposite way, but yeah. Then I have my mouse pad that I absolutely love. I actually bought this for $30 on Amazon and bought it so that I can make videos with it. I wanted to do product reviews and actually set it onto there, but I loved it so much that now it is my main mouse pad. Over here I have my Oculus just sitting over here. It's usually charging, but right now it's not plugged in. The actual stuff is in here, the little handles. And then in these drawers I have keycaps, I have different miscellaneous stuff. Here's both my monitors. This one is a 1440p 165 MSI monitor. That one's 1080p. Like I said, I use that as another monitor. I only use it whenever I'm actually like watching streams, like I said. But yeah, it's just over there. And here's the newest addition, my speakers. I actually love these things. They are the Pioneer DJ. I think it's like DM40. I'm not sure. They'll be in the link in the description, but they're super nice. I love the way they sound. They're actually called monitors when you get to this stage, but since I have two monitors, right, I'm not going to call them monitors. Just make things confusing. Yes, I see the two holes. I messed up the mounting. I literally just got these things. I just want to make the video. So yeah, I know. I did that, okay? This is actually a custom piece that I made with my dad. I just went to Walgreens and got it like made so as a poster, and then got this frame to fill it out. I think it looks really cool above my setup. I really love it. Got a little plant right here just because when you're standing over here, you can kind of see the wires, but it kind of distracts you. The way I actually hide my cables is I have these little raceways that go all the way down to the desk, and all of them come into here. They go underneath like this, back up to this raceway up there, back into here, and the other things plug into my PC. And as you can see, I think I did pretty good with cable management. There's that one which is very unfortunate. I hate it, but it is what it is. Those cables up there, you can't really see when you're above this height. So, I mean, I think that's perfect. I would usually have my wireless keyboard, but this keyboard is just so thick wire, man. I hate it. But yeah, man, it's taken me a long time to do this setup. I have to say thank you to my girlfriend. Hello. I have to say thank you to my girlfriend and to my dad for doing a lot for me. Same thing with my mom. Thank you, everybody. Charles, thank you, everybody that's helped me. It's been an amazing journey to get to where this is now. Alright, so if you haven't made it this far in the video, it is now concluded. I want to say thank you to everybody. I know I've said thank you a lot in this video, but once again, thank you everybody that has subscribed. This is crazy. I think I'm at 2,300 subscribers at this very moment. It means the world to me. I'm really trying on these videos, trying to make it as entertaining as possible, trying to be snappy with it, not trying to drag it on too long. But yeah, I want to say thank you once again. Subscribe for more content like this in the future. Yeah, I think that's it.